Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel called Everyday Manufacturing. So today we'll be discussing on part 3 of chapter 6, which is the labeling of medical devices as per Indian regulatory CDSCO MDR 2017, but mainly we'll be talking on rule 46, which is the unique device identification of the medical devices. So दोस्तों आप में से बहुत लोग फेमिलियर है कि ये क्या होता है, the UDI number, right? But anyway, let's rediscuss in detail. So with the effect from the 1st of January 22, medical devices approved for manufacture for sale or distribution or import shall bear this unique device number, which shall contain a device identifier and the production identifier method. So there are clubbing of two different identifiers, right? If you want to go more in detail, then you can watch my one of the reel or short which was published long back ago, for the which I'm going to provide a link in my description below, right? You can check that out. So for example, for the purpose of this rule, A, the device identifier will be a code which will be accepted globally, means a global trade identifier number. So it is a number by which you can trade your medical devices globally. 2. A production identifier. It means a serial number, lot or batch number, software as a medical device version number, manufacturing or expiration date. These are the minimal information which should be captured in the production identifier, right? So I hope this is very clear. I hope you must have enjoyed my today's lecture. Please do like my video, comment, subscribe and share in our valuable network. Till then, take care. Bye bye.